Hi guys, today I'm outside because I received this LED flying disc for viewing purposes. So, well, it's an LED flying disc, so I must be outside to test it and to see how it looks. I like it because it has different modes and different colors. I have it in a mode that changes the colors automatically, and we can also, because it's very functional. It has a very nice quality of the materials. It's very lightweight, which makes it perfect to play frisbee. It's very resistant. I like a lot of the colors. It looks awesome at night. So I'm gonna show you a few shots of how it looks. So yeah, I would actually really recommend it. It's very nice, very fun to play, and very easy to use. So yeah, I recommend it.